Okay, I'm working on a early 90s Corolla here, and the brake lights doesn't want to turn off. So what I found out is the brake light switch got jammed. So this is the old brake light switch. Now this is located right, I don't know if you can see it, right there. Just unscrew that right here, because that thing pushes, the switch pushes on this little on this pedal here. So anyway, now this is the original switch, Toyota switch, and I want to AutoZone and got this aftermarket switch. So it's pretty much, I think, the same here. Yeah. So I guess how this thing works is when the brake pedal, which is that one, is not pressed, the arm of the brake pedal rests over here and presses this, releases the connection of the electricity going to, or current going to, the brake light switch. When you press the brake, it releases that and the current passes through this connection and turning on the lights. So if this thing jams, your brake light just be on, continuously running your battery out, and that is what happened here. So I'm going to put this replacement, and what it does, you screw this part here and then tighten it and connect the male connection over here, and that's it. That solves the problem.